Hello again and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to save YouTube video in your gallery. If you're new to the channel, please leave a like and consider subscribing. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Now you can only download YouTube videos, but it will be saved in your YouTube app for offline purposes. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. So first, hop on your YouTube, and then select the YouTube video that you want to download. Okay, here and at the bottom of their channel right here, you can see the download button. Just tap on that, and here you can select what quality you want. You can only select low to medium quality for free, but if you have premium YouTube, you can select the HD quality and more. So after you select your quality, just tap on download. And after you finish your download, you can access the downloaded video in your library. So go back to your YouTube home, tap on library, and scroll down. And here you can see your downloaded videos. Now to download your own video in YouTube, you can simply download and install YouTube Studio in your App Store. Now to download your video, just go to Content tab at the bottom left corner, and here select your video and tap on the three dots on the right side corner. And here, you can select the Save to Device button and you can finally download your own video. Now keep in mind that your downloaded video will lose a little bit of quality. So there you have it, two methods on how to download YouTube videos. Well, I hope this one helps. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.